Good day everyone, my name is Hazel Diaz, grade 10 Peace, and this is my video presentation for science about emergency kit. First, what is emergency kit? An emergency kit has all of the things that you and your family may need during an emergency, in which you may have to stay inside for longer than usual or the electricity could go out. The most essential part of your kit is several days supplies of food and water for you, your family, and your pets. Here are 10 other items that you should include in your kit. First, flashlight. Extra batteries for the flashlight are also a good idea if your power is out and you have no way to charge your phone. You might need to rely on a flashlight to get around at night. Second, a whistle. A whistle can help you signal for help if you are stranded and need search and rescue to hear you. Gas mask. Depending on the emergency, you may need a mask to help protect you against contaminated air. Or local maps. If you need to evacuate but have no power or access to the internet, you may need to rely on a paper map to find your way to safety. 5. Manual can opener. Your emergency kit is probably made up of canned food, which lasts for a long time. If you don't have power, you need a way to open these cans. Battery power or hand-crank radio. A radio will help you receive updates on the disaster and any known safety risk. 7. Books, games, puzzle, or other activities for children. Disaster can be stressful. If you have fun games or activities that your children can do when the power is out, this can help them cope with the stress. 8. First aid kit. Conditions during and after a disaster can vary dramatically. You may need to provide immediate care to an injured family member. Supplies for your pet. Your pet is a member of your family. You will want to have enough of their supplies to several days, as well as a favorite toy to comfort them. Bleach or pliers. These tools can come in handy if you need to turn off utilities. While it is important to have these supplies at home, you should also consider having a smaller emergency kit stored in your car or ready to grab if you are evacuated from your home and need to leave quickly. Once you have your kit built, be sure to maintain it by replacing expired items and each year, evaluating your needs. Having an emergency kit can prepare you to protect you and your family. And that's all. Thank you.